Hey everyone, in this tutorial I did be sharing with you how to get a quick easy everyday eyeshadow look using a earbud, Q-tip or a cotton bud. I'm using one side to pack dark tone eyeshadow and the other side to pack a lighter tone to get smoky effect. I'm picking a darker tone eyeshadow, brown, chocolate brown. I'm applying it on my upper lash line, close to upper lash line. Pull a line and slowly begin applying on the outer V. I'm filling my outer V, pat. You just have to pack this eyeshadow on your outer V and your upper lash line. Diffuse the harsh line. Move the Q-tip back and forth to soften the harsh edges. Next, I would be using a lighter tone eyeshadow. This one, I'm using the other side of the Q-tip to pack this eyeshadow. I'm applying above the first eyeshadow. Just cover the remaining eyelid and begin moving the Q-tip in circular motion. For smokiness to appear, back and forth and circular motion is what you're supposed to move the Q-tip continually. It will take time. You'll have to do this for a considerable amount of time for smokiness to appear. It takes time for smokiness to appear. Move back and forth and in circular motion for smokiness to appear. Use the darker side of the Q-tip to intensify the outer V further. To a certain extent only intensify the outer V, not much. I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal on the waterline. Use the lighter side and begin smudging. And lastly, I would be coating mascara on my eyelashes. Move the wand in upward direction 4 to 5 times. When you are applying the mascara on lower lashes, hold the wand vertically. Individual eyelashes target as possible. If you hold the wand in vertical direction and apply mascara application is a complex process, but if you do so, it is going to seem very easy and you're not going to mess up lower lashes mascara application, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel. Take care and bye.